Where are you? The simulation. You are inside a highly advanced simulation that is coded by beings, artificial or otherwise, that are technologically advanced than humans here. This fully immersive virtual reality simulation is like a video game. A game where we, the humans, have no idea of the rules, no game manual is available to us prior to incarnation. And your memories are blocked or reset prior to incarnation. Humans have no idea why we are here, what we are doing here, what kind of a place this is. Humans are completely blind here in that respect. Earth, a video game. You are logged into an extremely sophisticated and advanced virtual reality, and you cannot distinguish it from physical reality. If that is hard to believe, have a look into the evolution of video games from the 1970s until today. Have a look into the graphics of video games with the Unreal 5 engine. Imagine it being combined with AI tools like Google Veo 3 and Genie 3. Now combine it with headsets and immersive VR gloves. And now imagine how video games will develop in the next 5, 10, 20, 100 or 500 years. For more on this, you can check out the video that is linked above. Scriptures and simulation. The scriptures of most religions clearly tell us we have a soul that lives on after we die here. That this life is temporary. So, it's all laid out in the texts what actually this world is. It's only required for us to wake up to this fact and understand the nature of this game and how we have trapped ourselves here by believing this is all there is to our existence. We have to wake up to this deception. The Simulation Hypothesis book and the video linked above discusses this aspect. The book Jesus Was From Base Reality provides an alternative look at scriptures. The video Are We Living in a Simulation? Escaping the Matrix? Osama Al-Shurafa questions whether we live in a simulation. Collective consciousness. I have believed for some years now that what I say, write, think has some effect on the collective when I put a strong intention to it. It is a strong knowing, something like a butterfly effect. The collective consciousness is the data in the cloud or RAM or cache, and anyone can pick it up. It is like multiple instances running, but they all access, modify same set of files or storage, similar to an Oracle database cluster. So how does what we do affect the collective? Even if we are all dotted around different countries, our individual efforts make a huge difference to the collective consciousness. In the video linked above, Rizwan Work, author of the excellent book The Simulation Hypothesis, touches on this briefly. For more on the collective consciousness topic, you can check out the video linked above. Features of the simulation. Life script. Your life script is the script or story that has been written or coded for your avatar before you, the player, logs in. This script is ready for you at the time of the avatar's birth here. Your parents, location, skills, etc. are all part of the avatar script. How your life unfolds is coded for you. Since it is written or coded prior to birth, various tools are provided in this game to access the pre-written codes. For example, astrology, numerology, Akashic records, palmistry. and there are so many other tools available. Astrology, numerology are tools that give you an idea what your life script could be. I say could be because it's up to you whether you want to follow the script that is written for you or you choose to write a different script for yourself. The movie, The Adjustment Bureau, shows how the life script is modified based on the choices made and how we are being manipulated to make a certain choice. You do not have to follow the script given to you or go with the cards dealt to you. Software terminology and English language. It is interesting that so many, if not all, computer programming language terminology are English words that we use in our daily life. There are many other features of the simulation that are described in the playlist titled Features of Simulation, linked above and mentioned in the description of the video. Some of the topics covered are timelines, death and digital immortality, signs and synchronicities, the Akashic Records database, OBE, NDE and life review, errors or bugs or glitches in the simulation. Mandela effects. What is the Mandela effect? The Mandela effect is a phenomenon where a large number of humans, in the thousands, remember Nelson Mandela dying in the prison in 1980s. But in this current reality or timeline, Nelson Mandela died in 2013. The term Mandela effect was first coined in 2009 by Fiona Broome when she created a website to detail her observance of the phenomenon. These are glitches in the matrix, possibly caused by merging of collective timelines and humans in different timelines remembering different script being played out. The Simulated Multiverse book provides an explanation on this phenomenon. For more on this topic, check the videos listed in the description of this video below, which chronicles the various Mandela effects experienced by many. The void experience. Few humans have experienced the void, which makes them feel connected to one and all. The video on this topic is linked above. Thank you for watching. Do check out our website and subscribe to this channel.